I had to return my Dyson to get it fixed, and it has now just arrived, so I'm going to unbox it, and you guys can see there's a lot of packing peanuts. So this is going to be one big mess that I will have. Let's see if I can do this. So there's my Dyson, and let me get my knife so I can unbag it. So there's my new Dyson, or the same Dyson I had, but they just had to fix this handle because every time I would have the cord off and pull back, the handle would pop off because there was a giant crack in it. So thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.